Good morning students, I am Falguni Panchal, your EVS teacher. Welcomes to you in EVS class. Let's start to learn about different festivals. Be ready. Festivals. Festivals are time for celebration. Families and friends get together during the celebration. What festival means? Festival means time for celebrations. And who celebrate together? Families and friends get together during the celebration. They share fun and happiness together. They share with each other fun and happiness. During festivals, we go to our place of worship, wear new clothes and greet each other. What we do during the festivals? We go to place of worship, wear new clothes and greet each other. If it is Diwali, we greet Happy Diwali. If it is Eid, we wish to each other Eid Mubarak. If it is Christmas, we wish to each other Merry Christmas. Like that, during the festival, we go to place of worship, wear new clothes and greet each other. We exchange gifts and sweets with our families, relatives and friends. What we do? Exchange gifts and sweets. With whom? With family, with relatives, with friends. When? During the festivals. There are many religious festivals celebrated in India. Different religions celebrate different festivals. They go to their place of worship. That we will see that which are the different places of worship. Hindus go to a temple. Here you can see picture of temple. Okay, Hindu people go to the temple. Why they go to temple? For worship to God. Muslims go to a mosque. You can see this picture of mosque. Who goes to mosque? Muslims. Muslims go to a mosque. You can see this Muslim peoples. Here you can see this Muslim lady reading to the Quran Sharif. Okay, it is a holy granth of Muslim. So Muslims go to a mosque. Christians go to a church. You can see this picture. These Christians, they goes to church. This is the special symbol of cross on every church you will find. Okay, and mostly it is of red color. So this Christian people goes to church to worship Jesus Christ. Now here you can see Sikh. Sikhs go to a Gurdwara. Sikh people go to Gurdwara. And here you can see the holy Granth of Sikh, that is Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, so Sikhs go to Gurudwara. Remember it. Hindu goes to temple, Muslim goes to mosque, Christian goes to church, Sikhs goes to Gurudwara to worship. We celebrate many festivals in India. Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Gurpurab are the main festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Among to them, this Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Gurpurab are main festivals. So let's learn about it. First, Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. It is called the festival of lights. Who celebrate Diwali? Mostly Hindu people celebrate Diwali, and it is festival of light. It is celebrated all over India. In all over India, this Diwali festival is celebrated by Hindu people. We worship Goddess Lakshmi on Diwali. To whom we worship? Goddess Lakshmi, in Gujarati called Lakshmi Mata. The house is decorated with diyas and candles. You can see decorated houses, especially on Diwali, by diya and candles. We wear new clothes on Diwali. People wear new clothes. We burn crackers and sparklers. We give gifts and sweets to our friends and relatives. When all these things? During Diwali. During Diwali, people wear new clothes. Children like to burn crackers and sparkles. Then people give gifts and sweets to their friends and relatives. Here in the picture you can see this lady with diyas and this boy enjoying to fire crackers. Okay, so it is about Diwali. Dear students, I hope you understand about the Diwali. Please write down some sentences related to Diwali in your EVS notebook and draw beautiful rangoli in notebook. Colored it nicely. That's it for today. Goodbye. Thank you.